Soyez les bienvenus! Mabuhay po tayo dyan. Welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. Learn French the easy way with personal pronoun. Speak about yourself and others with you, tu, il, on. This is now nous, vous, il avec un S, elle avec un S. So let's learn how. And this is simple, clear, and perfect for beginners. Master everyday conversations in French. And let's see le pronom personnel. And this pronom personnel po ay ang mga panghalik. Okay, so we will learn them in French, English, and Tagalog. Are you ready? Let's go! On the previous lessons po natin, we already identified the meaning of pronom personnel. But we're going to repeat. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce qu'un pronom personnel? Les pronoms personnels remplacent le nom d'une personne ou d'un groupe. Okay? Les pronoms personnels po remplacent le nom d'une personne ou d'un groupe. Personal pronouns replace the name of a person or a group. Ito po ang ating mga panghalip na panao na pampalit po natin sa pangalan ng tao, bagay o pangyayari. Okay? So, qu'est-ce que c'est? Okay. So, last time we learned about yung première personne singulier na je, ako, I, tu, you, ikaw, okay, na isa lang. Il or he or siya na lalaki. And we have also elle na siya din na babae, she, alone. And we have also on, on, that is called we. It's included in the troisième personne singulier ng ating mga pronom personnel. Get it pa? Okay. So let's repeat. Je, ako, I. Tu, it's you, siya, ikaw. And then, il na siya na lalaki. Elle na siya na babae, she. And on is we o tayo sa ating pronom personnel singulier. Singular lang po yun. Okay, got it? Merci. Now we have le prénom personnel pluriel. This is plural form na po tayo ngayon, no? Before the singular, we have you, tu, il, elle, on. Now we have the plural form. Pluriel is plural, madami, two or more. Okay? We replace it by nous. Nous is we also. Nous, la personne qui parle plus d'autres. So, yung nous po yan as we o kami o tayo. Yan po yung nous. On pronounce comme c'est N-O-U-S, but we pronounce it as nous. Okay? Next, we have vous. Nous is première personne pluriel. Okay? Kasi marami na sila. Nous. Tayo o kami. Kasama tayo. Okay, next. Vous. V-O-U-S. Vous. La ou les personnes à qui on parle. You. The person or the persons spoken to. Ito yung ating formal way. Kahit isa lang siya, you use vous. Formal. Why is it formal? Like, for example, you are talking with your employer, you use vous. Talking with the personage o mga matatanda, old people, we use vous. Person we do not know, like in the magazine, in the tindahan, in the store, you use vous. Okay? Vous. Or the person vous ne connaissez pas. Yung hindi mo kakilala, that persons whom you do not know. So you use vous. V-O-U-S is vous. Okay? That is you. Kahit isa lang siya, only one. O kayo, kasama din po yun. Pwede po yun. You, when you speak with your employer. O kayo, nakasama, nakikinig sa akin, kayo. Okay? kayo. Donc, vous. Je vous adresse comme vous. Okay? Get it po? Vous is a deuxième personne pluriel kasi marami na po sila. Vous. Okay. Let's repeat. Nous, we, tayo, kami, or and vous, you, o kayo. Na hindi ako kasama. I'm not included. It's only you. Vous. Get it? Merci. And we have les pronoms pluriel again. This is called il. I-L-S, but we don't pronounce the S. It means they, sila, na lalaki o halo. Okay? Basta't may lalaki. Il, we pronounce it as il. Ang group d'hommes ou mixed. Mix o halo po yan. So sila ay they. Okay, hindi kamukha ng il is only he, only one. But this one is il with S, we call it they. We don't pronounce the S. And we have L avec an S, but we don't pronounce the S because this is they. C'est un groupe de femmes. Femme, un groupe de femmes. Okay? They is feminine. Sila na puro babae. Only women. Only women. So we call it L. L. Okay? So without with S, but we don't pronounce the S. Il with S, they, sila, and L avec an S, na they, na puro babae. Only women. Get it pa? Il et elle. Donc, les pronoms personnels qui remplacent les noms selon la personne, le nom et le genre, ito po yung mga panghalip na panao ay pumapalit sa mga pangalan ayon sa tao, sa bilang at kasarian. So if we're going to do le résumé de pronoms personnels, pour le singulier, we have singulier or singular, and we have pluriel o plural, madami. What are the singulier, singular? That is you, ako, tu, you, ikaw, il, he, or siya na lalaki, el na babae na sila. And we need to add on, on, is we. But it's still included as in singular or singulier. And then we have pluriel. Pluriel, we have nous. Nous is also we. Then we have vous. Vous is you o kayo. Kahit isa lang, but that is formal. Yung tu is informal. Vous is formal. Then we have il with S na they na mix with men. And L, only women. And that is they. Got it pa? So, you, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, et elle. Be careful with your pronunciation because il is he, et elle is she. Get it pa? Merci. So, this is the fin de la présentation éducative sur le pronom personnel. Ito po yung wakas na ng ating mga panghalip na panao. You, tu, il, elle, on. Nous, vous, il with S, and elle avec un S. I hope it's clear. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po. At sana po huwag niyong kalimutang i-like, i-subscribe, at i-comment. And I hope you're learning. We are all learning. On apprend des choses. Merci. Au revoir. Ciao, ciao.